In front of me is OPPO A6 Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. To manage voice recorder, you don't need to download any special app because this OPPO already has it. It's this one, so locate it on your device and click on it. If you never used it before, make sure to tap on Allow in the pop-ups so it will be able to access your microphone. Then click on All Recordings, General Recordings here, if you wanna see ones you already ever recorded. And use this red button to create a new one. Tap on Allow, and wait! As you can see, my new recording is successfully on. If you wanna stop, tap on red button. You can continue using the same one. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to add a photomark on the right one. Take a pic. To discard it, use this X on the left, and to add it, this check mark on the right. If you wanna discard your recording instantly, hit cancel at the top left corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to end it and save it though, hit save at the top right one. As you can see, mine is over here under General Recordings and All Recordings. Now to play it, click on it. And to manage it, use all of those cool options at the bottom. You can add marks and photo marks as you go while listening. You can hit marks here to make them disappear or appear again. Tap on those two sliders at the bottom left corner to change playback speak and enable or disable skip silences. To save those changes, hit done. And wait, as you can see, my recording was definitely sped up. Now use those scissors at the bottom right corner, which is honestly my favorite feature. Because thanks to it, you can edit your recording instantly. Pick a part, misclick, and either tap on remove or trim. Then hit save at the top right corner. Name your new recording and tap on save again. It will be created as a copy, so you'll always have the original one. You can also click on any recording you have and tap on those three lines. Actually, those are dots at the top right corner to access all of those options, like rename. To get rid of any of those, hold one and choose delete button at the bottom right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Last but not least, click on the same three dots at the top right corner again and select settings to access all of those. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!